All right, guys, how you guys doing today? This Benue state killing is still shocking everyone. How these headsmen, terrorists, went to people's houses at night and they massacred all of them. They burned all of them alive, both children, parents, and all. We'll be calling for Tinubu to respond for the past couple of months. Finally, Tinubu don't respond last night. Tinubu called the Benue state governor. I would like to read what Tinubu talk. Make una for no say Tinubu don't call. According to what Tinubu talk for here, he said, President Tinubu extended his sympathy to the people of Benue state and admonished the governor to pursue dialogue. Get that right. Pursue dialogue with terrorists. And reconciliation as a long-term strategy towards solving the issues of insecurity in the Benue states. According to President Tinubu, he said they should maintain dialogue with terrorists and reconciliation with terrorists. I'd like you to listen to what people have to say and how he plays the call to the Benue State Governor.
Yes, sir. We had called the all state stakeholders, but there's nothing wrong in calling it again. We called that through the TOTIF, and we would still go ahead and call another one. The peace process that the TOTIF initiated is in progress, but with this later and this mandate again, we still go ahead and call all the very major stakeholders again. Yes, sir. We will. All right, so I thank you so very much for your time and above all for all the support you give us. We appreciate on behalf of the people of the state, sir. Thank you, Your Excellency.
I am protesting because right now we are standing on the death of our mothers, our fathers, our brothers and sisters. We have become IDPs in our own very country. These killings have persisted for years. A lot of talks have gone on. Only last year, 500,182 people were displaced. We have 21 IDP cars in Benue. These killings won't stop. Up until this moment, nothing is being done. Why? What is more crazy is the deafening silence from our leaders, the duty bearers, the people who are supposed to speak, the people who are supposed to do something. They are silent. Now we want answers. We want to know what is going on. The government has a duty to protect life and properties. If President Tinubu is overwhelmed by this insecurity in North Central, in Benue, in Plateau, in Taraba, he should step aside. He should resign. They should stop playing politics with human lives. President Tinubu understands what democracy means. We need to stay alive. We want to just live. Right now, we are pleading for our lives. Look at what is happening. Look at the humanitarian situation in the state. Look at how it's affecting economy. Yesterday, I saw people being maltreated, women and children crying by the roadside because they've had to flee from their communities. A woman woke up in this community. Her children, 5 children and mother were lynched.
Yesterday, over 200 people were killed in their sleep. What kind of a thing is this? And Mr. President is quiet. The governor is quiet. These people are not asking for political alphabet. They are just killing people in their sleep. We are farmers. We are an agrarian state. What are we going to do with the people that are just roaming the streets? Please, we are calling on Mr. President to speak to us. No condolence message, nothing. Is Tinubu a mother at all? She should talk to us. What is happening? He cannot depend on people that are trying to be politically correct. He reads the news, he sees the news, he watch Arise, he watch channels. Please, we are sending a strong message. We are going to stay here till Mr. President will speak to us. That is what we are going to say. Am I speaking the minds of Benue people? That is what we are doing here.
My heart is heavy, terribly sad, terribly angry. But like it's become a national emergency. What's going on in my state, Benue State? I cannot wrap my head around. Man, I don't even know what to say at this point in time, because it's going to be business as usual. I will condemn the thing. This has to stop. This thing has to stop. It has to involve everybody. Every stakeholder in this country, every stakeholder in Benue State. You know, it's not child's play. It's becoming ridiculous. It's annoying. How about? Come on, man. I don't even know where to start expressing my sadness, my grief, my anger, my frustration for these things that keep happening over and over again. You know, every time, okay, we call on the governor, we call on the president, we call on it's how about, oh man, this thing is not funny anymore. You know, it's not funny anymore. It's gone beyond just condemning. Serious action, serious action needs to start to take place. You know, every stakeholder, we need to come together. We need to fight this war, God. We just need solution B. Let's be serious with the solution. It's just.
Nella notte tra il 13 e il 14 giugno, nella città di Yelewata, nell'area amministrativa locale di Guma, nello stato di Benue, in Nigeria, si è verificato un terribile massacro in cui circa 200 persone sono state uccise con estrema crudeltà, la maggior parte delle quali erano sfollati interni, ospitati dalla missione cattolica locale. Prego affinché la sicurezza, la giustizia e la pace prevalgano in Nigeria, paese amato e così colpito da varie forme di violenza. E prego in modo particolare per le comunità cristiane rurali dello Stato di Benue, che incessantemente sono stati vittime della violenza.
Benue State residents, I have seen the videos, the pictures, I have read the tweets, the articles. All I can say is your leaders do not give a fuck about you. Your city, your state, your capital is under attack. It is very obvious that it is to displace you and take your resources. There's also another underlying problem, the problem of domestic terrorism, which has been supported in part by the residents of Benue, the armed forces, and the government. The rate at which things are going, there will not be very much left of Benue State by 2027, and it is by design. This is the time to stand up and fight your politicians. Anywhere you see them, knock them.
Silence as the graveyard. We hear you, sir. Thank you very much. First of all, this is my first time in Benue State. Yeah! Thank you for coming. Now, It is the killing that happened in the other local government that brought me.
Yes.
I swear to God who made me, I didn't know they were protesting. I swear that on my mother.
That's a coincidence.
I only went there to make the video to publish. Why? It's because I have noticed that our media in Nigeria, they don't longer and give us hope that this thing will not happen. Yes, because this is the measures we are taking.
Dear President Tinubu, you already know me, so I don't need to introduce myself. First of all, I need to remind you that you will not be president forever, and you are not God. You did not create heaven and earth. Your people are getting killed. The people you said you are ruling, that you are president, calling yourself a leader, are getting killed, and there's nothing you are doing about it. Benue is bleeding. Enugu is bleeding. Plateau is bleeding. As we speak, people just got burnt alive. Children, women, just got burnt alive. Men, innocent people, we don't know anything, just got killed. Over 200 people in Benue State. What do you do to it? Nothing. You did not declare any state of emergency. You did not deploy people to go and get it sorted out. Nothing. You surround yourself with loyalists, not people that will advise you on how to direct a great nation, not people that will advise you, that will pressure you, that will make sure that you are getting the things done for people that you are serving, because you are here to serve. You are not here to control us. No, you don't have that kind of power. Now, the issue here is that people are protesting about the killings everywhere, happening everywhere, especially Benue State that has turned to 5 and 6 killings. The police are sending them tear gas. The police are shooting in the air against harmless protesters that are protesting against terrorism in their land. These same people cannot come and chase away the killer, the Fulani herdsmen, that are killing people everywhere. Police is doing nothing to them. Instead, police will be shooting and sending tear gas to people that are protesting against them. Is it that the life of the citizen does not worth anything in the front of you people? You have played politics to the point that people are getting killed and you don't have...
I don't read social media anymore. They abuse the hell out of me. If I read it, I get high blood pressure. I get angry. I don't read it. So, if I want to hear anything, my children or any of my workers will tell me, this one say this one. If I'm tired, I say, please, forget it.
Tinubu. Tinubu, the city boy. Anything you put your hand, it go better for you. What you they do for Nigeria, eh? We appreciate you, Mr. President. Tinubu. And God really send you come. Say we leave this country for people like the Buhari for another 5 years or 4 years. By now, all of us will not jack bow. And God now bring Tinubu come. If now let Binia Uchiru and Saplero safe. He reach where I go to support Tinubu for 30. Oh my God. Yeah, people will not like better thing. All this thing what Tinubu they do now, some of them are blind. Now they do like so and no see him because not be on a person anyway. Oh my God, Tinubu, God sent, the God sent of Nigeria, the only man we want to do. No matter.
This is shocking. We live in a country. It's just like living in a house where there's no roof. That's what it looks like right now. Just like this my house now, see, no roof. Whenever there's rain, the rain will be pouring on us. The President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria placed a call not to visit there himself. It's not even the issue now. Place a call to the governor of Benue State, telling the governor to apply dialogue and reconciliation with people that is murdering the indigenous people of Benue State. It is shocking. When I see where we find ourselves, when we speak, some of you come in to insult us. Look where we are today. The evil you support today will certainly come back to haunt you someday, in the next seconds or in the next minute. Yes, at this moment, it might be favorable to you, but somehow, somewhere, either it affects you or your family, your relative, directly or indirectly. Look where we are today. Apply dialogue and reconciliation to the killings of Benue State. What do I know? This is NAIJA Watch Media. Join us every day, 7 p.m. Nigerian time. Let's continue to talk about the things that is affecting you and I. Take care, guys, and bye for now.